Hey guys, we have a 2020 Transit van. I believe this one is the Transit 250. Okay, we end up installing the Clifford 3105. To disarm the alarm, you're going to hit unlock. Unlocks your doors. Close the door. Then hit lock. Locks your doors. Panic button is down here. Okay. If somebody bangs on any of the windows, it will fire off the alarm. Any door that is open, it will trip the alarm system. We put a siren inside, that way it blasts the guy's ears. That way they don't sit there and they will be very uncomfortable to empty out the van. Okay, it's got the antenna on the top that gives you the range that you can arm and disarm it from the remote control. Plus it's going to have the blue light that's going to flash at night. Pretty much this is the interior. They changed a little bit of the dash. You know, it's got this instrument panel now. This is the 2020. So yeah, they kicked it up a notch a little bit. Gave you cup holders here. You know, it's not a bad van. It's got the reverse camera. I believe it comes from the factory. Yeah, it's pretty nifty. Okay, you get out, close the door, arm the alarm. If they try to bust out this keyhole back here, the alarm will fire off. Okay, this is the Clifford 3105. This was installed here in Miami, Florida on this 2020 Transit 250. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.